Theory X and Theory Y is an approach developed to explain two sets of assumptions based on human behaviors toward their work, attitudes, and how they perceive their job. So let's get started. The theories was developed by Douglas mcgregor in 1960 in his book Human Side of Enterprises. The theory was based on two assumptions. Theory X rests essentially on the negative view of people, while theory Y, on the other hand, rests on the positive view of people. Theory X, the negative theory, assumes that an average employee has no ambitions, dislike work, and responsibilities. It is by nature done work as little as possible. He or she need to be controlled, policies and procedures to follow. So the X believe that naturally a person dislike work, want to avoid it as little as possible. So since he don't like to work, he need to be supervised, controlled, he need to be directed, strict policies and procedures to follow. So the X believe that without active intervention by management, people will be passive, even more resistant to organizational needs. They must therefore be rewarded, punished, their activities must be directed. So why the positive story assume that employee enjoy work, seek out and accept responsibility, and exercise self-directions. They exercise their physical and mental efforts to ensure the organizational goals is achieved. If the work is rewarding, e.g., by praise, recognitions, it breeds employee involvement and loyalty to the organization. So why assume that an employee assume responsibility by himself. He participates his all effort to ensure that the goals of the organization is achieved. And if the work is rewarding, it results in employee involvement and loyalty to the organizations. Meaning that in organizations, the boss or superior should respect employee contribution to the organizations. The way to breed loyalty in the organization is by respect, commitment, opportunity for growth, recognitions, and respecting each individual knowledge for contribution he brings to the organizations. MC Rago believed that so why assumptions best capture the true nature of workers and were therefore to be used as a guide in management practice. According to Douglas MC Rago, so why assumptions is the one that will be used as a guide in management practice. Conclusion: MC Rago proposed that participation in decision making, responsibles, and challenging jobs and good group relations will maximize employee motivations, meaning that an employee should participate in a part of decision making, not necessarily that the boss or the superiors are the one that have only the final say in every decision and in every subject matter. And creating a good harmonious working environment will maximize employee motivation to put his efforts to ensure that the organizational goals is achieved.